Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was the yesterday's question I gave? What did you tell me?
2x. Sorry, wait, sir. 1 minute.
Hmm.
X power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Number of distinct real groups.
X to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x square plus x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Okay. Next.
X cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5 has exactly one root alpha. Find integral value of alpha.
Okay. So I will discuss both. See, my objective is whatever question I am giving you, at least you spend some time. Okay, that will boost your logical skill. Anyway, I will discuss. The first one, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
How many real and distinct roots are there?
2.
2. Let me check. Define this. Prime x. Can we factorize it? एक क्वेश्चन तो ठीक लिखा हूँ. Let me check the question once. Just 1 second. Checking the question whether it is correct or not.
Excuse me, sir.
Uh,
Sir, there is a option called security and waiting. There's a check mark against on left side of waiting room. You just press that waiting room button so that the check mark goes.
एक मिनट रुको. So what did you say? Where is the option?
On security, there is security.
Security. Yeah.
There is waiting room option.
Just a moment. Allow participants in this meeting. Allow participants in this meeting.
Yes, sir.
What
No,
what are the options?
there is a waiting room written, sir. When you click security, is there waiting room written anywhere? Yeah, just
Remove.
click on that waiting room. No, not that, sir.
No, there is no waiting room option. Allow participants in this meeting to share screen, chat, read.
I think you have went in meeting settings, sir. You should
No,
go
no,
in security.
It's security only. Just participants. I will, if I.
That screen share, sir, not what waiting room. Can you just read the options in security, sir?
Just wait. Your lock meeting, enable waiting room,
Just click on that enable waiting room, sir.
enable waiting room. Okay. Now it's okay.
1 second, sir. Checking. Yes, sir. Okay now.
So I will check the question. This question. Okay. I am not getting from where I have written it.
You're not getting the answer.
4 minus 4x cube, 12x square plus x minus 1. Okay, just first I will check it, then I will do. So next one I am discussing. I will do it, just give some time. X cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5. So the question is, the equation has exactly one real root alpha. Find integral value of alpha. Look at this. Differentiate 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. See, you can factorize it. Okay, so f prime x gives us f prime x equal to 0 gives us x equal to minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1. Okay, so f of minus 1 how much? 7 minus 2, 5. And what is f of minus 1 by 3? Tell me your answer. What is f of minus 1 by 3? Anyone of you have got it? How much this is?
Zero.
This is how much?
4.85, sir.
Yes, sir.
In rational form?
One 131/27.
And obviously this is less than 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can plot the graph. Obviously at infinity it is infinity, at minus infinity it is minus infinity. This is minus 1, minus 1 by 3, and at minus 1 by 3 this value. At minus 1 is slightly more. So at infinity is infinity, at minus 1 by 3, 131 by 27, at minus 1 it is 5. Okay. So this is the graph. This is the root alpha. So alpha has to be less than minus 1. Now let us calculate f of minus 2. What is f of minus 2? Positive or negative?
Positive, sir. Positive.
Positive. 13. Yeah. Now, what is f of minus 3? Means minus 2 will be somewhere here
Yes, sir.
because the corresponding value is positive. And what is f of minus 3?
-7 negative.
Minus 7. This is negative. Good. Minus 30, correct. Now, what does it mean? Minus 3 will be somewhere here because
Yes.
corresponding value of the function at minus 3 is negative. What does it mean? The root alpha lies in between minus 3 to
-2.
minus 2. So what is the integral value of alpha?
-3.
Minus 3. A very simple question. Okay. Now some more question I'm doing. Just by calculation you can do it. It will take time, but if you use the graph, within seconds we can do.
Yes, sir.
These all are mains. Just I am giving you 2-3 examples, mains question, which we can do by graph within seconds. Shall I rub it? If
Yes.
any doubt anywhere, you can ask. See, the last question is maybe some coefficient I have written wrong. I will check. I will do. Don't worry. Acha, who told last time? Azharuddin. Who told me how to enable that screen waiting room?
Yeah, Junaid, me, sir.
Junaid. Okay. Now, just tell me one thing. How I can check how many participants are there in the class?
Sir, are you on computer?
Yeah, laptop.
Yeah, press Alt.
Huh?
Press Alt, Alt.
Just wait.
There will be participants option. There will participants down the screen.
On the screen.
Yeah. Thank you. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
See, this is main question. See, using graph, how we can do this within second. The roots of this equation are, first option, real and distinct. Not real. Positive. Both are negative. Leave it. Positive, negative. See, the one method is we have to calculate discriminant. With that information, you will get only real and distinct. If you think of, suppose this is fx. What is f of a? This is 0, this is 0, a minus b negative, a minus c negative. So this will be positive. Can I say fa is positive? 0, 0. And here it is a minus b into a minus c. That is
Yes.
positive. What is f of b? 0, 0. Negative? F of
Yes.
b is how much? B minus c negative?
Zero. Negative.
Less than 0. Because this condition is given.
Yes, sir.
What is f of c? 0, 0. Positive, positive.
Greater than
Positive,
zero.
Yes, sir.
greater than 0. Now, coefficient of x square is obviously 3. Just you calculate only coefficient of x square. That is 3.
Yes, sir.
Positive. So obviously it will open in the upward direction.
Yes,
Limiting
sir.
value at infinity and minus infinity will be infinity. This is A,
Clear and distinct.
this is B, this is C. The graph will be like this based on this condition. FA is positive, FB is negative, FC is
Positive.
positive. So obviously one root is in between A and B, the other root is in between
B and
B and C. So this option, this is not correct. This option is correct. We can't say about positive is negative because they have not given any information about ABC.
ABC.
Okay.
Sir.
So just even though you are not no need to write all this, just calculate. This is this.
Yes, sir.
If you find solution of this question in books, they have calculated discriminant D, and then they come to the conclusion that roots are real and distinct. Similar question. This is mains question. Mains or advanced, I don't remember, but it has come. Similar question. Just you. Yeah. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done. Done, sir.
This question also has come either in mains or advanced. A is less than B is less than C is less than D. X minus A into X minus C plus 2 times of X minus B into X minus D equal to 0. Same options. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are not real. Roots are positive. Roots are negative. Just tell me the answer. This condition is given. Now tell me what is FA?
Positive.
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0. FB?
Negative. Less than 0.
Less than 0.
Less than 0. FC?
Less than 0.
Then
Less
0.
than 0. F of D?
Greater than 0.
Greater.
And what is coefficient of x square?
3x.
3x square. Positive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will open in the upward
Graph
direction?
rise upwards.
A, B, C, D. Even we can conclude that one root is in between A and B under this condition, the other root is in between C and D.
C and
Okay? Just no need of any calculation business. One more question. Shall I rub it?
yes,
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
One more. Same, this also has come in JEE Mains or advanced. If B greater than A, then x minus A to x minus B minus 1 equal to 0 has, just within a second tell me the answer, both roots in A comma B, both roots in minus infinity to A, both roots in B to infinity, one root in minus infinity to A and other in B to infinity. Tell me which option is correct.
Option D. Option D.
Which option is correct? Junaid,
Option D.
Option D.
no, Junaid, I am asking you something.
yes, sir.
Something in my screen, one message is coming, running out of time. This meeting will end up in 10 minutes. Upgrade now to remove the 40 minutes time. It means they have not
Sir, they did not pay for your account.
no, the college, no, yesterday they connected it, but today they have not connected, I think.
No, sir.
Uh,
They pay for once, it remains unlimited time meeting, or else it's a
yeah, I
trial
know
meeting.
after 40 minutes they will disconnect, but yesterday
sir.
it was continuous.
Did you change the ID, sir? They
No,
that they gave.
same ID.
Sometimes they give unlimited time, sir.
Yeah.
No, because yesterday he called me that he asked me to open Zoom. He told me he will connect with their account.
I don't think it got connected.
एक minute.
After 40 minutes, we will start again, sir. We will join again.
No, that is not good, na.
Yes, sir.
Just you think of, then I'm giving you one small two questions. In between, I am talking to you. यो, वालेकुम सलाम। ये अभी मेरे स्क्रीन में ये आ रहा है कि 40 मिनट्स में ये सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा, तो आपने वो नहीं किया कुछ?
सर आपकी वॉइस बिल्कुल लो आ रही है।
हाँ, नहीं, ये स्क्रीन पे मैसेज आ रहा है
जी जी।
कि 40 मिनट्स में ये सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा।
हाँ सर, हर 40 मिनट्स में आपका सेशन का एंड होगा उनका।
हाँ,
तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको फिर से आपको मीटिंग स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। आप बच्चे फिर आपके वही लिंक से उनका आ जाते थे।
नहीं, कल तो नहीं हुआ था ना, कल तो आपने कुछ अपना आईडी दिया था कुछ।
नहीं, मेरा आईडी तो मैं नहीं जाता ना कल। आप खाली आपके आईडी से क्लास खोल के बैठने के लिए कहा था मैं, बच्चे आ गए थे। मैं अपना आईडी तो आपको नहीं दिया मैं।
हाँ, नहीं दिया, लेकिन आपने बोला कि मैं वो इससे ये कर दिया हूँ आपके जूम से। कल फिर डिसकंटिन्यूअस नहीं हुआ ना, कल तो कंटिन्यूअस हुआ। आज क्यों हो रहा है? हाँ,
पता नहीं क्या है। मैं तो आपको कॉलेज आईडी तो मैं आपको नहीं दिया, मेरी तरफ से तो मैं नहीं दिया।
हाँ, नहीं दिया, वो तो मैं मेरा आईडी है, लेकिन मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि कल डिसकंटिन्यूअस नहीं हुआ, आज क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा?
अच्छा, तो कल आप आई थिंक कल आप 40 मिनट से कम लिए थे क्या?
नहीं, अरे नहीं, 1 आवर कंप्लीटली। देयर इज नो ब्रेकिंग। हाँ,
अच्छा। तो नहीं सर, अगर आज आपको ऐसा हो रहा तो आपको इमीडिएटली फिर स्टार्ट कर देना है।
हाँ।
स्टूडेंट्स विल अगेन जॉइन अगेन
ठीक।
2-3 मिनट्स।
ठीक है, ओके, राइट।
नो अदर सॉल्यूशन। ठीक
ठीक।
है राइट।
सर फर्स्ट
हाँ।
टाइम करे तो ट्रायल वर्जन का जैसा रहता सर, एक बार अनलिमिटेड
अच्छा।
रहता, उसके बाद 40 मिनट्स का रहता।
ओके। So now come to the next concept.
D से।
Yeah, option is D, correct. It's not next concept, same. It's different question. Just think of 2 minutes. Find number of real roots. I'm doing this
Sir,
one.
it is 5 power x.
Yeah, last one is 5 to the power x.
Okay.
It's clear.
They have two different equations, sir.
Yeah, this is different question. This is different question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there upward what you wrote, sir, just now, the solution of the question, the first question. You wrote. No, sir, above here side upward, sir. F of A less than 0, F of B.
This one.
What is this, sir? Which question, sir?
This one
Options.
only.
Okay.
Solution of this B greater than A, fx equal to x minus A into x minus B minus 1 equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
These questions. Solution of this. Fa negative, Fb negative, coefficient of x square is positive. So graph of this has to be like this.
Yes.
At infinity, limiting value is infinity. At minus infinity, limiting value is infinity.
Okay.
At A, corresponding value is negative. At B, corresponding value is negative. So one root is less than A, the other root is greater than
B.
Yes.
So this is the solution of this question. Now the next type is 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 5 to the power x equal to 0. This is one question. Find number of real roots of this. Second question. 2 to the power x equal to x square. Also, find number of real roots.
Then for the first one real root.
I have to see.
So you have to rejoin now.
Now session is over.
No, sir, I think you have to end the meeting and then
Have
you have
rejoined?
to join. And then you have to start the meeting.
We will rejoin, sir, now.
Okay, okay. Just think of,
Starting meeting again, sir.
in the meantime, you just think of these two questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll discuss. So no, just 1 minute. I have to end up the session
Yeah, you have to end, then start
And then
again.
start the meeting again, sir.
after 2-3 minutes.
No, you can
Actually,
start just.
immediately.
See, for first one, yeah, I think it's correct. One real root. What about the second one?
3 roots.
The idea is, suppose we have an equation fx equal to gx. Number of real roots of this equation. This is an equation. So what we do, we plot the graph of y equal to fx, we plot the graph of y equal to gx. The number of point of intersection will be number of real roots, because for that value of x, both the quantities are equal. Okay. So in the same way, we'll do it. 2 by 5 to the power x plus 3 by 5 to the power x equals 1. Define fx equal to f prime x which is less than 0. The reason is for any real x, this is always positive, and log x is negative if x is in between 0 to 1. What is the graph of log x if base is more than 1? So if x is in between 0 to 1, corresponding value of y is negative. What is the derivative of a to the power x? A to the power x log a. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. So this is always positive, this is negative, this is always positive, this is negative. So that's why derivative is always negative. So fx is entirely decreasing function. I'm writing in proper way. Now limit extends to infinity. Fx. What will be it? Tell me the answer. Limit extends to infinity, fx.
Positive.
0.
Limit extends to minus infinity, fx. What will be this?
Positive infinity.
Correct. If you're just I'm giving you one simple basic. You don't write it if you know it. The very basic result in limits is in the limits class, in very first class, we used to teach it. What is the meaning of this? Listen carefully. Any number from 0 to 1. What is the meaning of this? Any number from 0 to 1 to the power infinity is 0. Is the meaning?
0.
What is the meaning of this first one? Any number in the interval 0 to 1, including 0, excluding 1. Whole to the power infinity is 0. Next, if it is 1 to the power very large number is obviously 1. And what is the meaning of this? Any number more than 1 What is the meaning of third part? Any number more than 1 to the power infinity is
Infinity.
infinity. Okay. In limits, this is the very basic thing. So based on that, we can say when x is infinity, this is in between 0 to 1. To the power infinity is 0. This is in between 0 to 1 to the power infinity 0. So this limit will be 0. This limit minus infinity. So this will be 5 by 2 to the power infinity. 5 by 2
Yes,
is
sir.
more than 1. 5 by 2 is more than 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So infinity plus infinity is infinity. Okay. Next. Now we can plot the graph of this y equal to fx and y equal to 1. This is y equal to 1. Because right side is y equal to 1. Left side, the graph of this. At infinity, this is, sorry, at minus infinity, this is infinity. At infinity, it tends to 0. This is limiting value, not exactly 0. Limiting value is not exactly 0. It is limiting value. And 0, it is 2. So graph will be something like this. This is a graph of y equal to fx. Slowly, simple graph I am coming. The same concept. Take, there is no critical point. Take only extreme points. Enjoy it. That's it. So at how many points they intersect? At how many points they intersect? Only.
Only 1 point.
So number of real roots of this equation will be only 1.
1.
Exactly 1. Shall I rub it?
1 minute.
If any doubt anywhere, you can ask immediately. Shall I rub?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next question is to the power x equal to x square root 3 to the power x equal to x square minus 1, like that. ठीक है, एक और रेटिंग all are number of real roots, this function. Statement is same. Fx is this, y is some other variable. In this equation, what is the variable? Y. F1, F2, F3, these are constants. F1, F2, F3 are constant. In this equation, what is the variable? Y. It's not like y equal to fx. It's not like that. Here, for this equation, the variable is y. And F1, F2, F3, these are constant. And the constant is given by this function. Now, second concept of divergent. Before coming to these questions, second concept of divergent. Exponential function diverge faster than polynomial function, and polynomial function diverge faster than logarithmic function. You just write it. I will explain through this. Exponential function means a to the power x, where a greater than 1. Exponential function means a to the power x, a greater than 1. Just you remember, exponential function diverge faster than polynomial function, and polynomial function diverge faster than logarithmic function. What is the meaning? For large x, any exponential function will be much bigger than any polynomial function. That will come from here. Now come to this question. Shall I rub this down part?
Yes, sir.
Only thing you need to remember that this one. I will compare this here.
Okay, sir.
Come to the graph of y equal to x square. Plot both the graphs. Just suppose I plot the graph of y equal to x square. And all of you know the graph of 2 to the power x is what? This one.
Yes, sir.
And y equal to the power x. So how many roots are there of this equation?
2.
Sir, there are
Who
3
said-
roots actually.
How did you got it?
One root will be negative from the graph, and the other 2 roots are 2 and 4. So there are 3 roots in total.
Okay, suppose in place of 2 to the power x, I write here root 2 or some irrational number, root 3 to the power x. Can you find it? Because it is simple, you can visualize. You are right. What's your name?
Ishaq.
Isha. Good. You are right, no doubt. But the exact logic is this concept of divergence. This is wrong. The graph of 2 to the power x is wrong. Okay, the reason is,
It will intersect x square again.
yeah, this is say 2. Suppose 8, 4. Both the quantities are equal. At 2, both the quantities are equal. At 4 also, both the quantities are equal. So from here, it will go here. And after that, it will go very fast. See, after 4, you put 6. This is 36. This is 64. This is
64.
much bigger. You put 10. 2 to the power 10 is 1024. 2 to the power 10 is,
1024.
1024.
and this is
100.
100.
100. See, this is how much big in front of this.
Yes.
So after that, it will move so fast that this graph cannot catch up. Okay. So basically the graph of this function and this function is this. So number of real roots are 3. After that, they won't intersect because this will move very fast. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, this exponential function, one small story is very famous. One king has announced that the person who will defeat me in chessboard, whatever he wants, I will give him that prize. So a chess player has defeated him. So the king asked him, "What do you want?" He said, "In the chessboard, for first unit square, you give me 2 to the power 0 that rice or paddy or wheat, whatever it is. For first unit square, you give me 2 to the power 1 rice. For second, 2 to the power 2 rice. For third, 2 to the power 3 rice, like that." King thought, it's very simple. Why did you ask this simple price? When you start giving him the price, he sold his entire empire, even though he could not fulfill his demand. So the exponential function is so 2 to the power 64. That number is too large.
Yes, sir.
So the graph of the exponential function after some time will move that fast, you can't imagine. Just I am giving you one simple example. Limit x tends to infinity. 2 to the power x, x to the power, whatever power you want. What will be this? Infinity. This is exponential. What is the logic? Suppose if you don't think that the divergent concept, infinity by infinity, keep differentiating. Okay. So these many times you differentiate, then you will get constant.
Yes,
2 to
sir.
the power x ln2. ln2 is more than ln2 is 2 to the power x ln2. ln2 is some positive real number, and this will be some finite. After differentiating it these many times, this will be finite, but 2 to the power x will remain there. Okay. So simply this limit is infinite. By L'Hopital rule also, if you do, it will be infinity. If you do by concept of divergence, it is infinity. Okay. So graph of this type of function after some time will move very fast. No polynomial can catch it. Okay. Okay. Now time is over. I have other class. You can do this one easily and think of this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.